This is the third video about how to edit music video. So I'm gonna show you how to add the color grading, adding some cinematic balls and export. So now just stay with me and let's see how it is. We have been editing this music video, so everything is good. We just synchronize, cutting, adding text, adding effect, adding transition, something like that. Okay, so now today we're gonna add color grading. Okay, let's add the color on this video. So guys, as you see my video, I shot this video at night. Yes, at night. There is no day scene. Everything was shot at night. Here there is some shots in inside and outside, so but don't worry about it. So we're gonna add the same, the one color for whole music video. Okay, so now as you see it here, we have many layers, we have many different scenes. Okay, I'm gonna creating the layer which I'm gonna use for adding the color. Okay, so now come back here for these double arrows, and then you go here for this project. Now go here on new item, create adjustment layer, and then you press OK. So now I have to drag and drop it here on the top of this layer. So you have to make sure this adjustment layer, it is on the top of above for whole clips, and then you extend how long your clip is, okay, where it's ended. This is nice. Okay, so now let me move down here. So this adjustment layer is where I'm gonna use for making this color grading. So, and I'm going to find the best clip or the best scene which has the many colors for than others, where can I make the music video, can I make the just color grading. So, okay, I can use like this one for example. So now make sure this adjustment layer is selected, and then you come back here for this workspace, and then you choose color. Now you see guys, I got in color workspace. This is the Rumetry color which I'm going to use. Yes, basic, correction, creative, curves, color width, HCLA, and vintage. So, and you come back here guys, and you make sure this adjustment layer is selected. Okay, so now let me try to extend this program monitor, because I like to work on color grading, so that's for seeing the all details. Okay, so in this video we don't go and add more things, because yes, about the color grading. Okay, so now let me open up this basic correction here. As I told you, I shot this video in Vlog. You know, I use the Sony S5 with 20 to 60 lens. Okay, so here let me use like rec or just LUT that I use. Okay, I like to use. Okay, even you, if you want, just you can check it in the link description down below. You see this is my LUT. Okay, but for this LUT, you see it has more things, more black, more what and what. Okay, but let me come back here. I can, after adding this rec 709, okay, I can add some things, few little bit. Okay, so, and if you don't have it guys, please go to check it in the link description down below. Okay, so now, and then you download it, you can use it. So now let me try to add these, to increase this exposure here on this layer. And two, I have to add like even this shadow. Yes, this is nice. Let me increase this saturation here. You see on my background there is some things which is looks like green, so let me increase this temperature. Okay, and then for this black is enough. Okay, let me close it. So let me open up this curve. So I just want to remove these things which looks like green. Okay, here I have to choose green for this whole Versat. Let me select this green, and then I have to move it down here like this, you see what I get. Now the things is removed, and then too I can pick like some things few on this yellow. You see the wall, what I get. Now everything is looking good. Okay, you see on the wall, yes, the wall is looking good. When you try to move it up, now you see what you get, you see, and then you have to move it down here. Okay, so now let me increase this blue. Yes, this blue, I can move it up like this, but I have to change this blue. Okay, so for changing this blue, I have to move down here for who versus who, and I select this blue here. I can change this blue in any color you want. You see guys, when I change the blue, now the blue is changing. So but let me just move it up like this. Okay, and then I give it luma to about this blue, something like this. This is nice. Okay, so now let me cross this curve. I don't need any more this curve. Okay, so let me open up this HCLA. Let me working on this skin tone, and let me click on this red, and let me enable this. Hey bro, you see, forgetting this skin tone, it's hard because maybe first this clip, though this, and it does not have the enough light. Okay, so let me add this one here too. Something like this. So this is enough. I can add this blur in this way, and then let me add some few color here like this. Now you see what I get. I just want to prevent my wall. Okay, yes, in order to be attached this HCLA secondary. So now I can see, yeah, now wow, this scene looks nice guys. You see, yeah, even this one too, it is looking nice. Yeah, now you can check the whole music and then you see how it is. Okay, even this one too guys, I tried to shoot this video in this cinematic way. That reason why you see there is many things which is very black, so don't worry about it. So you know, I like cinematic way. You see this one too, this is looks nice bro, I like it. So about this one, this scene, so about this scene guys, here I can, for example, let me select this top adjustment layer like this. Let me select this adjustment layer card, and this one too. Also you can change, you can add black and white. Okay, so let me move this adjustment layer because it cannot be affected by this text. Okay, so now everything is looking good. You see guys, my goodness, yeah, this music video, I can't believe it. So now you check all the clip, or if all clip is looking good. So when for this one too, you see there is some errors here on the wall. So let me add into black. I can add it into the black mode. Okay, something like this. This is also looks like effect guys, don't worry about it. So let me find another where these things is. Now we can try to reduce that things. Okay, yeah, for example like this scene. So about this scene, sorry, let me select this. So the reason why I select this adjustment layer, because I just want to make color grading about this scene only. Okay, so and then let me come back here for this HCLA secondary. So when I mute, you see how the things it is. So now you can mute better, you can mute it. Okay, for about this scene. Okay, Now you see guys the trick for making color grading. When you make the basic color about the whole video, so now you're gonna see for each clip, for each layer, and then you see how the things is. If you can increase the exposure or decrease exposure, or increase saturation, just reducing some things else on it, okay? Yes, by using that basic color you have did before, right? Maybe now you understand that things, okay? So guys, even here too, there is no problem. I like this grip, okay? So for here too, there is a lot of things on my wall. So better things you have, let me just try to use this temperature. Let me see how it can be. This is yes, this is cool. And let me mute this HSLA, because here there is no skin tone you can do it. Even this one, it has the blue color, okay? So now you have to do these steps, just checking each layer, each clip, if it is looking good, okay? Maybe that's my trick, guys. I'm showing you my trick, guys, okay? I'm not professional for editing music video, you know, so but you have to know these, okay? Yeah, my trick. Now this is my trick. So, and maybe everything is looking good, okay? Everything is looking better. So, and then for guys, I just want to show you another things. There is some people who like, what can I call the cinematic bars, okay? So now let me come back here on this editing mode. There is some people who like the cinematic bars or crop, okay? For example, when I extend this, for example, let me find the best frame. Can I show it you that effect? For example, you see this video is full screen, okay? But there is some people who like to add the cinematic bars here up and down, okay? So I just want to show you how you can do it. So I'm gonna create the adjustment layer. So maybe I have the adjustment layer on this project panel, and then you move this adjustment layer here up, okay? And then you extend how long your clip is. Yes. And then you go here on double arrows, go here on effect, and then search the effect called the crop. Now you drag this crop and then you drop it here for this adjustment layer. Now I'm going to add these cinematic bars here, okay? So most people, they like to use 10 for the top and then 10 for the bottom. You see, now this is the cinematic bars. You see, guys, the full screen, how it is, okay? Now when you play, now this looks good also, guys. There's some people who like this stuff and there is some other one who don't like it. But if you like it, you can add it. There is no problem. And if you don't like it, just you can let it. So, and then let me close it. And now the final step is export, okay? It is export, guys. So before exporting, you have to know what the sequence you have been using, okay? So my sequence, if you want to see your sequence, you have to go here on the sequence, and then you open up this sequence setting, and then you see what the sequence you are using. Me, I am using 4K sequence, 3840 to 2160, okay? This is enough, okay? And then now you're gonna click Ctrl+M for export, or you can use go here on file, just go export media, Ctrl+M, the shortcut, that one I told you. Yeah. So now you see how my video is, my frame it is. So now for this file name, now you can type the name of the song, freestyle music, for example. Sorry, music. And then for here, the location is where your video will be exported, the location. So for example, let me put it here for the desktop, and then I click save. And then for this preset, when it is here for match source adaptive high bitrate, yes, it is the as default sequence, okay? So whatever, you can just put it here for the 4K. there's no problem. And if you want high quality, just full HD, yes, you can choose here. There is some different sequence, but for me, I just like to use this match source adaptive high bitrate because it took the same default like the one I have been shown. If it is 4K, just it took 4K. If it is Full HD, it took Full HD. It is default settings. Okay, you see guys here, my default settings is also 4K, 38 to 40, 2160. Okay, so now after rename your music and then give it the file location and then checking this preset, the format is also always H264, and then you're gonna click export. So here I have to wait a short time while my project is exporting. So now when it's done, we will see the final result.
pangu nazanye ikangu nyita gingista umuhungu w'irasta manuka costa ngafungira itawu imirongo yabongwira itawu ni manega ndi high simfata ibifari bandabutwa kuri morale ndakora dream ngafungiye logos urugo no kurapa na papa barwapa mbahindure trapper manager duhurire bato nkubwire iby'abato uri tutu shaka batuto fe mu magaze sino nifanga drip zitari nk'izabo mpagaze indege zitambaza gelo HP nyiri cyane kamba ndifata bapinga mbyuka nandika constructi babyuka biruka nje nkunda gutanga ngafata inyonga simvugana na David byabo byose njye mbikwepa nka covid ndacyari ku ntebe y'ubwami sintize gukatira drip untaro ni pen sinkura nka pen ishirini tariki 8 nahize punani ndi kumwe na Dan Gero sinici nisane ngwebura byenuka ndukira fani karagaburi ndakwihira mano uyu munsi ni Paris inyonga dufatira imbari tu ndakikora kandi nkazitumigo simuza na genge zifata ibikoma peace Osama doctor wanje guturuka igoma na dosi mfata bisi kubumva ibyo nkora badistinirirwa magiro mfata izo nyonga ndi kumwe na king biruka niga mixo chiga chindi bizi ndahiga ibiceri uri bizi uracyakora umunwa fuck you.
Guys, those are the steps and tricks I use when I am editing music video project. So let me hope this video is gonna be helpful to you. Just take your time to make more practice as you can. So, and if you have any question, any support, just drop it in the comment down below. Let me know what do you think. Guys, take care of yourself. Now we're gonna meet in next video. Peace.